Hey there, today I am going to show you how to change prices on Shopify in bulk. And here is how. So here I am, log into my Shopify dashboard. First, I will navigate to the products section. Next, I will select the products I want to bulk edit, just like this. Now, with the product selected, I will click on the bulk edit option. This brings up a spreadsheet-like interface where I can make changes. To change prices, I simply click on the price field, type in the new price, and then copy it using Ctrl plus C. Then, I'll paste the new price for as many products as needed. If I have 5 products, I will repeat the process. Finally, I will click on the Save button, and that's it. Prices for multiple products change in just a few clicks. And that is how to change the prices on Shopify in bulk.